You heard 2Ks for the kids.
We always supporting young senders, baby.
Shout out kids. Hey, 2K for the kids, baby. Yo, say 2K viral.
I'm a gangsta bitch.
I see murder in my eyes. Pussy nigga, you ain't saying nothing. Son, got these niggas waiting up in line. Catch them dead, end up spraying. Side my manager car, boom, not full of pills, nigga. Tell that boy I'ma see him, nigga. Tell him I say don't come fish around this lake, bitch, and that's real, nigga. 7 murders in my hometown. Tell them bitches I did that. Soon as the other boy touchdown, I'ma be pushing this wig back. Dog ass so chasing after dough, fuck around with these op niggas. Till they clicking up, ain't no standing down. Tell that bitch that I'm tryna bang with. Real dead men out of vetted park, call them range killers. Man's down on Sunset with them dead.
What's up, guys?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Mike's firing tonight.
Okay, Mike. Tony, what you got to say for the cam?
It's a sad.
I thought that was the rum.
That's Patches. Patches.
All right.
Wait, Patches?
She hid liquor from me. You don't hide the liquor from me.
Okay, well, you're cold right now.
Yo, Billy, I'm gonna give 1 wild guess.
Warmer.
It's right.
I have this crazy feeling. My liver is like tweaking. It's telling me this way, feed me. It's telling me. No, it's definitely behind it.
There you go.
Slam it.
No, not the whole thing. Please, not the whole thing.
You don't even have it opened? You're such a half cent. This is some bullshit. You want to hide it from me?
That boy a demon in the sheets. I can make it back that. Dominicanos here. Bitches, fuck with me. We going viral. Bow.
One bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Poured up a phone, now the blueberry fango. 1 false move and we straight to short shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up on fucking shit, that's how it goes. Big bands, I'm coming straight. 1 bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Poured up a phone, now the blueberry fango. 1 false move and we straight to short shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up on fucking shit, that's how it goes. Big bands, I'm coming shit. I'm with my niggas, yeah. We some rock stars, and I'm with my niggas, yeah. KK walk hard, this not my dick, little bitch, my Glock hard. Straight to the cash, I'm a trap star, straight to the bag. I'm the nigga, huh? Got me some gas, rolling up some cash. Yeah, I got me some. I ain't fussed yesterday, I'ma fuck some. 1 bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Poured up a phone, now the blueberry fango. 1 false move and we straight to short shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up on fucking shit, that's how it goes. Big bands, I'm coming shit. 3-0, clipping my Nina. On my toes, Gucci Valentina. She on go, yo bitch for the team, cause you know your bitch want a winner. I just went back to my city, and you know they all fucking with me. But it ain't safe, pose with me. I'ma chase bands to the enemy. 1 bad bitch, and she do what I say so.
Hey, smart kids raise free, so you know we're gonna raise free today. We were here for what, 4 minutes, and it's very boring. I'm over it. I want to just fucking drink some beers. I just want to get a send, and I'm in the wrong fucking mood. Well, I guess this night's gonna take a turn for the worse.
Down the hatch with it. And they're off, bro. Look at that form.
Fucking shit.
It goes right down. It goes right down.
Place that down, boys. It's coming up. I swear to you, it's coming up. But all I know.
That's how I do it.
Nice. Finger banger.
Whose stick is it?
Oh well. There it is. That's the taco.
I got a draft.
You want to do a shot?
Shit, bro. What happened? Dude, I don't... Last night? I don't know what happened last night. I did some dumb shit. I don't know. Tell me. Holy fuck. Oh shit. Yeah, nah, dude. It's fine. Yeah, just send me the clips. I know. Yeah, bro, don't worry. I remember what happened, bro. Just send me the clips, okay? All right. Shut your I get a coat.
No, he's fine. Spin up my Send it.
No, I'm just gonna get from you.
No way.
You gotta put the beer away till you get out of here.
Alright, respect.
Howdy, AJ.
Give it to me.
Rip the shot. Right in the doorway. Yo, what the fuck? Oh my God.
No, you're fine.
Yeah, that's my slime. Yeah.
So, last night got a little crazy and I decided to send some beers in Applebees. Got us kicked out. The manager, she walked us out. She then watched us get into our car. I'm drunk as shit. Me and my boys start sending a little bit more right outside the cars. And she decides to call the cops on us. This is the Applebee's employee. Now, if you work at that Applebee's, go fuck yourself. Should have just let it slide because it was dope. Second off, you didn't have to call the cops on us. You didn't have to get us banned from that fucking Applebee's. Like, come on, grow, like, have some fun, okay? And I didn't harm anybody. We had some fun. And, I mean, I guess that's it for this video. So, like, subscribe, comment. You know, we just going up from here, so... Shout out the boys, shout out 2K. Let's get this shit going.
Alright. 2K viral, guys. The videos have been doing extremely better than usual. I gotta thank everyone. For real, means a lot. Keep supporting, keep sharing, commenting, liking. Fuck you mean, shut up. I'm talking for real. You don't understand, our vids are doing better than they ever have. And that's to the people. Thank you, guys. When I fuck bitches, I hit them with the and then when you about to bust, you hit it with the pop smoke. Wait, wow, so I'm gonna kick your fucking head off.
Keep making bloody fucking clips on me. I'm gonna show you what I fucking do. I'm gonna give you a little faint action. I'm gonna fucking bloody knock you fucking. See what I fucking did to you?